Hey Helen, this apartment is great. It's so big. When did you say you moved then?
A couple of months ago, actually. But I've been too busy to do the place up. It needs a lot of work.
Really? It looks okay to me. What are you find of changing?
Well, all the windows need replacing. They are really old. And I'm going to have the walls painted white. They're bringing it up a little.
That's a great idea. Say it's a little warm in here. Is there something wrong with air conditioning?
Oh, it's broken. It'll be fixed next week, though.
Sounds good. So are you going to have us then?
Yeah, this carpet is dirty, so I'm going to have to clean it. And I'm having a new kitchen finally too.
Wow, it better look amazing when it's all finished.
That's the plan. You can help if you like. I could do with a hand to clean the bedroom.
Ouch, is that the time? I the better go. Sorry, call me when I did born. Don't. And I thought you saw it.